Hello and good afternoon, I'm Mike Hinton, welcome to the video. So today we're going to learn how to parallel park. This is going to use the two skills that you need, good control and good observation. So the first thing we need to do now is move away safely from the side of the road and pull up next to the vehicle in front as if we were going to drive past it. But we stop right next to it, mirror to mirror aligned. If the car is facing the other way, we just use the rear door handle. Now we select reverse gear. The biggest risk to you at this point are vehicles approaching from ahead of you and from behind. You must wait while those vehicles decide what to do. If they stop, you can continue. Now we're in reverse, we check all around the vehicle with our all-round observation. Firstly over our right blind spot, then our mirrors and ahead of us, and then our rear blind spot. And then we move the car, turning one turn towards the space you want to reverse into. Again, have another look over your blind spot. In your left mirror now, when the curb is equal to the door handle, stop the car, straighten your steering. Now we're ready to move the car backwards. Again, another look over the shoulder, and then slowly reverse the car backwards. What we're looking for now is, again, the rear light on the car of our target vehicle sits behind the mirror, just like it is now. Another blind spot check, both sides. Move slowly backwards and then turn one turn slowly away from the space until the car is straight. Now all you need to do is secure the car, and we are nice and tight to the curb, parallel park.